How to check CPU temp in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our browser, and then on the search bar just search for HW monitor. After that, click enter. Make sure that you click the website CPU ID. So click on that. Once you are now here, all you have to do is to just scroll down and then click the setup button right here. And then after that, just click download now. After that, what we're going to do is to click open file on the upper right corner of the screen, and then click next, and then click next, and then click next again. After that, click install, and then after that, click finish. After that, what we are going to do on the search bar is to search for HW monitor, and then click open. After that, let's wait for this to finish. And then while we are waiting, on the search bar, just search for system information, and then click open once again. And then just look for the processor of your computer or laptop. So as you can see, my processor is Intel Core Ultra 9. So what we're going to do is to look for the Intel Core Ultra 9 right here. So as you can see, this is where it is located. So what we're going to do right here is to just look for the temperatures under our processor. So this is our processor right here, and then just look for the temperatures. So as you can see right here, we now have the temperatures, which is the max temperature, the minimum volume, and then of course the average temperature that we have right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to check CPU temp in Windows 11.